and welcome to another exciting video. And in this series, we'll be learning about web components. We'll see how we can render Hello World with custom elements. Custom elements. So in this one, we'll see how we can create a custom web element that renders text to the browser and respond to a click event listener. In order to create a custom element, we need to create a class inside our HTML file. So here I'll be opening up my script. And within this script tag, the first thing that we need to do is create a class. And the class will have a name. Let's call it as so we'll be opening our script tag over here. And within the script tag, we'll be creating a class. So let's create a class and let's give it a name. And here we are creating a custom element which will say hello world. So let's have our component name as hello component. And once you've given it a class name, it's going to extend from HTML element. Now, the next thing that we need to do is make sure that you're calling the constructor. Within this, we'll be calling the base class constructor of HTML element. So that's super. And then we will be introducing the click event listener. So for that, we will be saying this dot add event listener. And within that, we will be specifying what is the event that we want to listen to. So that is going to be our click event. And then on click, we will be alerting the user. So we'll say alert hello from custom component. So this is the alert message that we will be showing. Now, other than that, we'll have a callback as well. Now, this callback is basically the content that will be displayed when this component will be rendered. So here, we'll say connected callback. And within this, we'll be saying this dot inner HTML and the content that we want to specify. So let's say we want to have the content displayed within h1 tag hello world component. So that's the content that's going to be rendered, and we'll be closing our h1 tag. Finally, our class is complete, and we'll now define this custom element. To define it, we'll say window dot custom elements. So we are basically adding it to our window collection, define, and here you can give it a tag name. Like we have a paragraph tag, div tag, so those tag names are there. So in our case, our tag name could be hello world. So we'll say HW for hello world. So you don't have to make use of the angular brackets actually, just the keyword HW. So hello world is the name of the component that we are trying to have, and then here we'll be specifying the class name as well. So the class name is hello component, and there we go. So let's comment this. Let's complete it by providing this, by terminating it with semicolon. And finally, over here, what we'll do is we'll make use of the hello world component, and let's have it over here. And that's pretty much it. Our component should now be rendering. So let's go live. So over here, I have renamed the component name as hello-world to make it more meaningful. And the same we have used over here as hello world. So once you have provided this, you can see that the content is being rendered over here as hello world component. So this is the text that we are showing. right now. And if I go ahead and click on this, you'll notice that the add event listener click event is now firing over here and it says hello from custom component. So that's how easy it is to create your own component using JavaScript. Stay tuned for more exciting videos in the series.